Good morning. It is the 21st of February, a Wednesday, and as we look at the markets this morning, we've got the agricultural markets doing very well today. Cotton continues its move up from yesterday's good day. Grain markets are at least in beans and corn, are up, wheat's down. Looking at the outside markets, we've got the global stock markets all down right now, and part of the news for that was the 10-year auction. The 10-year Treasury auction yesterday was very close to 3%, and that did not go over well with equity markets. So that's the reason we're seeing some struggles there. What else have we got here? Cotton continues to do well. You could say we've seen good mill buying, we've seen some spec buying, but we've seen an absence of spec selling, and that's allowed this market, after almost a 70,000 contract drop in open interest over 3.5 weeks, the market appears to finally have liquidated. We'll see if that continues, but the market certainly acts that way. As far as grains go, grains are continuing to hold ground. A couple of things to look at there. The weather continues to be a main focus in South America, but also the question about China and buying soybeans. This is the time of the year we expect China to ramp up their buying of U.S. soybeans, but the question is, will China make a statement to the U.S. with regard to trade sanctions, or some of the talk coming out of Washington is to cut back on some of the trade that they deem as unfair with China, and could that turn out to be something that affects their buying of soybeans in the U.S.? I don't know, but it's something being talked about. Let's look at the market. Cotton up 90 in March, 78.41. We've actually got, that's in March, a high of 78.37. Well, wait a second, 78.42, and the low 77.45. We have March soybeans up 1 3/4 at 10.28 1/4, a high of 10.28 1/2, a low of 10.19 1/4. March corn up 1 3/4 at 3.67 1/4, a high of 3.67 1/2, a low of 3.64 1/4. March wheat's unchanged at 4.49 1/4 with a high of 4.50 1/4, a low of 4.45 1/2. Crude oil down 32 cents a barrel at 61.46 for April crude. The dollar's up 24. Gold down $1. Silver down about 3 to 4 cents right now. And we've got the S&P that was down slightly is now up slightly. Looking at the calendar for today, we have, let's see, existing home sales at 9 o'clock, API energy stocks at 3:30. That's it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later.